AI Dominion. Welcome to the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence, where the boundaries of technology and human ingenuity intertwine. Today, we delve deep into the intricacies of two transformative AI models, ProcessGPT and BloombergGPT. ProcessGPT is a hypothetical system designed to assist people in their work. It consists of different parts, including the Process Copilot, Process Knowledge Graph, and Transformer model. The Process Copilot observes the task at hand and understands the goals of the person performing it. It leverages the Process Knowledge Graph to provide valuable guidance and support, helping the person make informed decisions and achieve their objectives. ProcessGPT can be applied in various domains such as health, banking, and education. For example, in the healthcare domain, ProcessGPT can aid doctors in diagnosing patients more efficiently by analyzing patient data and suggesting the most likely diagnosis and treatment options. Similarly, in the banking domain, ProcessGPT can be used to suggest new process data models to identify potential cases of fraud or money laundering by analyzing transaction data and suggesting suspicious transactions for further investigation. In education, ProcessGPT can assist teachers in understanding and analyzing students' creativity patterns and offer new methods to help students who need help. But what does this mean in practical terms? Imagine a highly efficient system that operates round the clock, constantly learning and refining its operations. It's like having a tireless team of experts working 24/7 to streamline your business processes. On the other side of the spectrum, we have BloombergGPT, a language model fine-tuned for the financial industry. Developed by Bloomberg, it can generate financial reports, answer complex queries, and even write code. Picture a system that amalgamates the roles of an analyst, a reporter, and a coder, working tirelessly to provide valuable insights. It's like having a team of financial experts, data analysts, and coders at your disposal, ready to give you the information you need when needed. As we delve deeper into the new advancements, these AI models are part of a more significant trend. AI is becoming increasingly specialized and industry-specific. It's akin to creating a team of AI superheroes with unique abilities tailored to their respective industries. This trend could lead to a future where every industry has its own AI tools, leading to widespread disruption and transformation. For instance, AI models are being developed in the healthcare industry to predict patient outcomes and assist in diagnosis. In the automotive industry, AI is driving the development of autonomous vehicles. But what does this transformation look like? It could mean a complete overhaul of traditional business processes, replacing manual tasks with automated ones. It could mean a shift in how we approach problem solving, leveraging the predictive capabilities of AI to anticipate challenges and devise solutions. It could also mean changing how we interact with technology, moving from a user-operator relationship to a collaborative partnership. However, the rise of AI is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it could lead to significant job displacement as AI tools take over tasks currently performed by humans. This concern has been voiced by many, from industry experts to the average worker. The fear of being replaced by a machine is a genuine and valid concern that society must address as we move forward. On the other hand, the rise of AI could also create new job opportunities in areas such as AI oversight and ethics. These roles did not exist a decade ago, becoming increasingly important as AI becomes prevalent. It's a testament to the transformative power of technology and its ability to eliminate jobs and create them. Yet, this transformation has its challenges. It requires a shift in mindset, a willingness to adapt and learn. It requires businesses to invest in training and development to equip their workforce with the necessary skills to navigate this new landscape. It's a delicate balance between progress and preservation, innovation and tradition. But with the right approach, a balance can be achieved. As we ascend to the zenith of our narrative, we grapple with the complex implications of data privacy and security in AI. These AI models require access to sensitive business data to function effectively. This necessity raises a multitude of concerns and questions. How do we ensure the security of this data? What measures are in place to prevent unauthorized access or data breaches? The answers to these questions are complex but crucial in our increasingly digital world. For instance, an AI model used in healthcare would need access to patient records, while a financial AI model would need access to transaction data. As they become more reliant on AI, businesses are faced with the daunting task of bolstering their cybersecurity measures. This is not a mere upgrade of existing systems. It requires a complete overhaul of security protocols and a shift in the corporate mindset. Businesses must now view cybersecurity not as an optional add-on but as an integral part of their operations. This shift is not without its challenges, but it is a necessary step in the face of advancing technology. But the challenges of AI integration continue after data security. Another critical aspect that businesses must contend with is the reliability of these AI tools. While capable of processing information at a speed far beyond human capabilities, these systems are not infallible. They can and do make mistakes. These errors could range from minor inaccuracies to major oversights with significant repercussions. Ensuring these AI tools' accuracy and reliability is therefore paramount. This process involves rigorous testing and validation processes, continuous monitoring, and regular updates to the AI models. It's akin to maintaining a high-performance vehicle. Regular checks and tune-ups are necessary to ensure optimal performance. However, the challenge lies not just in identifying and correcting errors but also in anticipating them. AI models, for all their sophistication, do not possess human intuition. They cannot expect and react to unforeseen circumstances in the same way a human can. Therefore, businesses must develop robust contingency plans to handle such situations, which could involve a combination of automated checks and human oversight. As we navigate the complexities of AI integration, we must also consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that these AI tools are used responsibly? How do we prevent the misuse or abuse of these technologies? These are not just technical questions but ethical ones that require careful consideration and dialogue. It's a journey that we must undertake together as a society as we strive to harness the power of AI for the benefit of all. In the aftermath of the climax, we find ourselves in a world that is rapidly adjusting to the realities of AI integration. Businesses are now tasked with establishing robust systems for monitoring and correcting AI errors. This is a complex task. It requires a combination of automated checks and human oversight, a delicate balance between relying on the efficiency of AI and the intuition of human judgment. For instance, an AI model might be used in healthcare to predict patient outcomes based on various factors. But what happens if the model makes an incorrect prediction? The consequences could be severe. Therefore, it's crucial to have a system in place to monitor the model's predictions and correct any errors. This could involve a combination of automated checks and human oversight, with healthcare professionals reviewing the model's predictions and intervening when necessary. Developing these systems is a complex process involving various stages, from design to implementation. It requires a deep understanding of the AI models, their strengths and weaknesses, and how they interact with other systems. It also requires a commitment to continuous improvement, as these systems need to evolve and adapt along with the AI models they monitor. Moreover, the rise of AI has also brought about a shift in the job market. Traditional roles are being phased out, and new roles are emerging. Education and training programs are now tasked with preparing workers for these new roles. This could include more emphasis on STEM education and training in AI ethics. But it's about more than equipping workers with the necessary skills. It's also about fostering a culture of lifelong learning, encouraging workers to update their skills and knowledge continuously. It's about creating a supportive environment where workers are empowered to learn and grow. As we navigate this new landscape, we must also consider the ethical implications of AI. How do we ensure that these AI tools are used responsibly? How do we prevent the misuse or abuse of these technologies? These are not just technical questions but ethical ones that require careful consideration and dialogue. It's a journey that we must undertake together as a society as we strive to harness the power of AI for the benefit of all. So, where does this leave us? We stand on the brink of a new era where AI is not just a tool but a partner in our endeavors, a period where every industry has its own tailored AI tools, leading to widespread disruption and transformation. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the potential of AI, we must also address the challenges it presents, from job displacement to data privacy concerns. For instance, consider the impact of AI on the job market. While AI has the potential to automate many tasks, it also has the potential to displace jobs. However, it's important to remember that AI can create new jobs. For example, as AI becomes more prevalent, there will be a growing need for AI ethicists, who can guide the responsible use of AI, and AI trainers, who can teach AI models to perform specific tasks. As we journey into this brave new world, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the rise of AI? How will we adapt to this changing landscape? And most importantly, how can we ensure that these AI tools are used responsibly for the benefit of all? We invite you to join the conversation. Share your thoughts, your fears, your hopes. Let's explore this new frontier together. And remember, the future is not something that happens to us. It's something we create. But it's not enough to make it. We must also shape, guide, and ensure that it benefits all of humanity. So, what will your role be in this new era? Will you be a passive observer, or will you take an active part in shaping the future? The choice is yours. But whatever you choose, remember this: the future of AI is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about us. And together, we can ensure that this future is one we can all be proud of. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope that you found it informative and thought-provoking. If you have, we encourage you to share it with others to spread the knowledge and spark further discussion. And if you want to learn more about AI and its implications, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll explore more topics in the future, and we'd love for you to join us. Until then, keep learning, questioning, and shaping the future. Thanks for watching.